Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute classic by the great T-Rex for you today. Had a lot of requests for this one, and it's a great song for the beginners. It's fairly straightforward. So this one's called Metal Guru. There's the 45, Metal Guru. Great track. So without any further ado, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get straight into it. So this uses the chords of G major. I'll bring that up to the screen. There we go, G major. You may do your G major like that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Prefer to do mine like that. There's lots of reasons. I'll bring that up in another video. But G major. Then we've got E minor. There we go, them two there. Then we've got A minor, which is like that. And then a bit later on, we've got a D major. Okay, so that's G, E minor, A minor, D major. Okay, now strum pattern. Let's have a little look at the strum pattern. So we want down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's go through that. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. We're going to be going at this pace, all right? This tempo. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Right, so let's get some chords in there. So G. So we're going to go down, down, up, down. Then we've got a thing called a walk down. So it goes G, walk down E minor, A minor, D. Let's go through that again. So we've got G, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So let me show you how the walk down goes. So we've got G. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put our second finger, hang on a minute, yeah, second finger, I'm looking backwards on the screen, second finger on the second fret of the E string. So G to the E, second fret of the E string. Bam, ba, ba, da, bam, E minor. Now if you're doing it with that kind of G, no problem. We're just going to put our first finger up there in the second fret of the E string. So G, 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 bam, E minor. Okay, I do mine like that. So it's bam, 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 same place, but with a different finger. Bam, E minor. Down, bam, 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 E minor. So let's do that again for ya. Then A minor, so that G, walk down, up, E minor, G, walk down, E minor, A minor, D, G, E minor, G, walk down, E minor, A minor, D, G, E minor, G, walk down E minor, A minor, D, G, walk down E minor, G, E minor, A minor, D, back to G. Right, so there's another bit that goes on a bit later. It's what's known as the bridge. It goes like this. It goes, So this video, da ba ba bum. You'll hear it on the record. So it goes G, A minor, D, E minor, G, E, G, A minor, D, E minor, and then it goes A minor up to D, and then it goes back into the song. G, E minor. So let's go through that middle bit again. G, A minor, D, E minor, G, A minor, D, E minor, A minor, then D, then back into the song. G, E minor, A minor, D, then G, run down E minor, G, run down E minor. So there we go, Metal Guru. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've got any song suggestions for future videos, for songs that you'd like me to go through for you, again, let me know down in the comments section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me to grow the channel and bring you more tutorials. Until we meet again, I'll meet you back in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.